Constantino Chiwenga subjected his 3 kids to DNA test soon after getting his wife Mary imprisoned. Sanamira mashoko atikuona panapa panguva ino zvinonzi aiwa VP avoids Tinashe Mugabe secretly smuggles kids to China for DNA. Sanapinda mashoko anobuda nyorwa panapa ashamisa vanhu ndopaenda kuti bva subscribe like utina on the bell icon. Tipinda panapa muzimu aya anobuda nyorwa chiti Chiwenga had at the time gotten his wife imprisoned over allegations based on distrust of her, soon after being made to believe that the same also and first victim of the attempted assassination through a grenade that exploded under her feet at White City is the one who wants to kill him. Chiwenga started believing that the mother of his 3 kids is not at all a bomb victim, but an attacker who wants to kill him. This was after 4 unidentified men had traveled to his bedside while recovering in China. His belief comes as live video footage at the White City bombing on 23 June 2018 shows Mary collapsing soon after a small hand grenade had been thrown onto her legs, just after President Itimunanga had walked off to a ZBC interview point. Chiwenga dodged local DNA service like Tinashe Mugabe's show and chose to fly his 2 boys and 1 girl to China. The 3 kids, who are also blocked from seeing their own mother for 6 years to date, were forced to endure 11,000 kilometers, a 2-day journey, mid-air, just to get their blood DNA swabbed. Records in Zimai's possession show the kids were also told to maintain their disconnection from their own mother imposed by the father. The development comes as Chiwenga prepares to be made president of Zimbabwe with demands forwarded by the war veterans like Blessed Gesa. Ndio mashoko anamdani kwa panapa vanhu vachiexposa kuti aiwa mukomana aiwa utiza the local aiwa Tinashe Mugabe panguva ino unoopta kuti aiwa vana vake vanotestiwa overseas. Tudze mafunguro emu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Penda comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.